Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a sketch of a person sitting down and holding the hands in front of the knees. So you're going to do a cross like that. This cross, of course, as you might have already guessed, means feet, shin and calf. So the lower leg, knees right about here, and then essentially it has to go like that. There can be one straight point right here, and just according to your own idea, shoulder set, delt, so those are the delts, chest, collar, and that rounds up the lower body. Now the hands, as we said, they would be in the front, we'll go around there, and of course there's the head. Now this of course looks like a basket and just like a round thing. We are going to give it some dimension. So it is accepted that in this particular pose the person is like curled and hunched, like it's a hunched pose, of course. So the outside of the thigh here would be very beneficial to show. It's also very real. That's how it should be. We'll also get the delts and the side of the body. So from this point on, we're going to first put in the, so this arm, the arm goes right over the knee, so the knee won't be visible. And what we have is hand like that, and this could very well be a fist, just like that. So usually it's a fist, not an open hand. But you know, there could be the tendency to leave the hand open, and that would be okay as well. So this is a very generic pose in which the hand is like outstretched, like quite a bit to along its full length. But we can always do different things with this. We could also have the hands go closer, but in that case we would have to move the thighs quite inward. The placement of this foot would definitely change. This one more or less could remain where it is. So it would go like that, and the hand would of course go closer and similarly close together like that. With the head we could do a few different things, and it's very natural to show it and very dramatic to show it hunched down, like deep into the chest. So there's the eyes, there's the nose and the mouth, and it's like looking down, the ears show like that from this angle. And of course we could always show the head looking straight up. So a few different options there with this cross-legged and arms in front of the knees pose. So we are going to just highlight, because this is quite messy, we're going to highlight just the bit that we initially put down. Fist. This, all the proportions are like, the aside from the proportions, like everything is like quite rough. And it is, of course, when we go into refining the entire set of contents for a sketch or for a portrait, yes, we would of course refine all the details and do fatigues and everything and all the skin details. But right here is the essential framework for this. So please do try it out. You can have a lot of fun with this. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.